Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining me on today's episode. On the last episode that I did outside, you guys saw me plowing some snow and using the snow thrower, and MI2TN mentioned that he would like to see it in real time. So MI2TN, yes, this video is for you. So you guys sit back, relax, and you guys can watch me work from the heat of your own home. Stay with me. I'll show you what I'm up to. Alright guys, that's what I got for today. The tractor's put away, the driveway is cleared, and I'm good to go. And I'm getting a little bit cold, so I'm going to get ready to get going, guys. If you guys can go ahead and click on the subscribe button right up there, it's going to give you instant access to all of the videos on my channel. You're going to get full access to all the content that I have on my channel, so go ahead and click the subscribe button right there. I'm also going to include some links right over here that you guys can click on. There are going to be some links of other videos that I have of me snow plowing using a snow thrower and moving snow around with a tractor. So click on one of those links to watch the next video in the series. Alright guys, I'm going to get going, so I hope to see you soon on my next episode. Until then, bye-bye.